another video here. Nelson and Toys, Nadia R, and LPSCCY. And I'm with my cousin Caitlin today. So we just did another video, but we decided to go out again because we found some more money.
Money.
So we decided to go out again. And we're just going to a shop on our road. Well, not on our road. Like, we're walking down our road. We're going on to the next main road. And we're just going to get a few things because, like, we're kind of bored. Like, but once my mum finished in the kitchen, we can start doing our bake-off sort of thing.
Yeah.
So...
And we can eat some plantain.
Oh, yum! It's so nice. And, like, my mum's making a little sauce to go with it, too. So, like, we can have it for breakfast, lunch, and maybe dinner. But my mum said maybe for dinner we can have, like,
Pizza.
McDonald's or, like, pizza or something like that.
McDonald's.
Or KFC.
Let's go get an apple pie. I need a Diet Coke to wash my own. Wait.
So now we're on the main road, guys.
You really like my style, don't you?
Yeah. I don't even have it to school though. I have like my hair like up and then I hold it down.
Like some of it up and some of it down.
Yeah, like that. But I hold it in like a high, like a little ponytail. If you go to my school, you know. Or sometimes I have it like some of my hair down and some of my hair up in like a little bun on the top. So like, we'll see you guys when we get to Paga. Okay guys, we're not there yet. We're still walking down the main road. So yeah. Oh, this is my auntie shop.
Oh yeah, do you remember when Nelson was looking like an old man?
Yeah, that was so funny. And Azenia, I swear I saw. Okay guys, we're there now. We're there. Okay guys, we're here now. So this is so nice. But like,
The candles.
they're candles? They're flowers.
No, candles.
Oh, they are candles.
Oh, wait, can I show you? Look guys, you got a little flower, but it's a candle.
Oh, these are like surprise eggs.
These would
Nelson
be like-
loves these. I'm gonna get one for him. So here are some of the sweets. So we can do the challenge.
Yeah. Oh, or we could do the Kinder Egg challenge. You open it up and see what you find.
Or we can do the surprise egg one.
Yeah.
So get one of them. Oh no, maybe you should get one of them. Okay, yeah.
Because they have chocolate.
Okay. So we're just gonna have a look around the store. Oh look, there's popcorn.
Oh, Nadia,
Yeah?
we get both.
Yeah.
So we're looking for dummies.
No, I said I wasn't gonna buy Nelson the dummy anymore.
Oh, look at these. Nice shiny things.
Oh yeah. These chairs though, they're so cute.
Wait, look.
I've looked for some more sweets that we can.
Okay, no guys. Look, this is what this chair does. Like, no, look, seriously. Oh, I can't do it. It's really weird.
They look for in them. The ones that have milk in them.
Ooh. Because if we
Okay,
make
guys.
£2, because my mum could make £2 with just like 20.
Okay guys, so now we've been to that shop thingy and we are going back home. We got our 2 surprise eggs.
Yeah.
So they were like 2 for £1. So like they were 2 for £1, so we got 2, obviously. Because we had your pound, didn't we?
Yeah. If we had 2, then we would have got all of them, but
I
yeah.
think I actually have some at home.
Well, maybe we could come back and get like Nelson some munchies.
Yeah. So guys, we're just going to another shop because we might think they have like some Kinder Eggs or something. A bit cheap. Oh, these are 59p. Oh, we should have like took these back and just got like a whole big packet of crisps instead. For £1. OMG, we could have got them. If we didn't waste our money on that stupid thing, then we could have got the thing. Oh, they do have Kinder Surprise Eggs, and they also have Kinder Joy. Oh, and they have these.
So, but how much is
Shall we ask how much they are?
Yeah.
Hi there. How much are your Kinder Surprise eggs? 99 for one. So I think it will be better that we go to that shop later.
Yeah.
And then I do have a few more pennies left. I
Hey,
have,
maybe
like-
we could get some Doritos or something.
Oh no, we can't because I only have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9p. Oh, I really wanted to get them. But everything is like... Okay, looks like we can't get anything from here then.
But maybe when we get back, we can, probably get some warm pans or something, or we can try those digging.
I just did that. Daddy!
He's still there.
Yeah.
I say him.
We have runny teeth as well, you know. Shall we go and see if Amy's in there? Nah, that would just be weird.
Yeah, plus when you walk in, they'll probably think you want a hairstyle. And plus, this is what I say to that guy who said I had a big head and everything. I'm sorry, but I have to do this. You are fucking done.
Huh?
Get. Nobody
Okay.
walks up to a random stranger and says, ah. Says, what is it?
They have these really nice things in here.
Oh, I love these.
Oh, they're so nice. We'll get them later though.
So what?
There was like these
Oh, are you sure?
No, let's go into the other shop because we've got 5p left.
Ow, what? Sorry.
What, did you
My
step
lip
on something?
balm.
No. Okay guys, so now we're just going to another shop. The shop that we went to earlier on, where we got the bubble gum from in the other challenge, but this is actually in Reading.
Why is it sunny today? I wish we could go to the park.
Even though it's so wet.
Yeah. We can still go to the park. It's so sunny. Even though it's wet.
So this is the shop we got it from, guys. Wait. There we go. Okay. So we bought a little bubble gum thingy. You can hold this because I've already had one and tried one of these.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it, sure.
Now.
If you want it. I don't know why all of these shops are all closed today. I mean, it's a Saturday.
So, of course, there'll be two.
What?
I said, because that means they'll be busier.
Oh yeah, they will. Okay guys, when we get back home, we're gonna do another video of, what's it called?
What about the Doritos pan? Or the bakery?
Okay,
Bake-Off.
the bake-off we're gonna have to do when my mum's done in the kitchen. We can open the Kinder Egg surprises, like, when shall we do that? In another, yeah, and then we'll play Knock Knock Ginger now. Okay, guys. We just have to make sure. Okay.
Come
We're
on,
going to- No, you have to wait. Come. You have to come next to me.
run.
We press it, and then we run. I'm gonna hide behind a car, maybe. That was really scary. That was really scary. Let's do some on this side. Let's not do the ones with see-through doors.
Yeah. Because then they'll know that's us.
Let's just wait for that man to go past. So he doesn't suspect anything.
I think no one was home.
But in the other home, you definitely knew that someone was home. I know exactly which ones to do. Actually, this one is one that you should do. Shall we? Yeah, let's do this one. Oh, why are you getting ready?
Don't worry, you won't. You can hide behind the car.
Come. Come. Stand here. Stand here.
No, because he has...
Oh, yeah, he has see-through one. Okay, let's go on this side now. And our home's really close to this.
So we can just run, knock, or hide behind this.
This one.
Yeah, go on.
Caitlin, come back. Stand like here. Oh shit, there's a man coming.
Oh, what about this one? No.
No way.
This one.
I told you there's a man coming. Okay guys, we're gonna do this later.
Yeah, so we'll do another video and a Kinder Egg surprise.
We'll do like 3 more videos. One Knock Ginger, one Kinder Egg, and another one the Bake Off Challenge.
Oh, and what if we do one about the park?
Yeah, and one other park. Oh wait, no, before you knock, let's do more Knock Ginger because now the man's gone. So, we're gonna do another video right now. See ya!